Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we are looking at some Honda parts that were sent in by a customer. These parts have been sitting and collecting grease, grime, dirt, and dust for years. To clean these parts, I used a glass bead and aluminum oxide mix to have a cutting edge that will remove the contaminants on the surface and maintain the polished look that made these parts look brand new again. Keep in mind that since vapor honing is done with flow instead of impact, important sections of the parts like gasket sealing surfaces and threads will not be damaged. For more information, please follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or give me a call at 828-202-5563, extension 102, and I will be more than happy to help.